with joy to see us coming together to host our own Harlem Lights Festival. That's what Harlem's about. 3, 2, 1. I think the tree lighting is a wonderful thing. It lights up the community. It helps people to realize that the holiday is here and to give them some joy.
It's like being a kid and getting the opportunity to do what you like. Just ride around for 2 hours listening to music and dancing. And watching the smiles on the faces of the kids and the parents and looking up top and seeing people standing in the windows waving. It's just an incredible experience.
Happy holidays from Harlem to the world.